Hey guys, in this module, we're going to explore the instruments traded in the Forex market. Let's break down how currencies are traded and what you need to know about the different types of currency pairs. At its core, Forex is a global marketplace where currencies are the primary assets. Unlike stocks, you don't trade individual companies here. You trade currency pairs. Each pair consists of a base currency and a quote currency. The exchange rate tells you how much of the quote currency is needed to buy 1 unit of the base currency. For example, in the Euro USD pair, the Euro is the base currency and the US dollar is the quote currency. If the rate is 1.2, then 1 Euro is equivalent to 1.2 US dollars. The Forex market is generally divided into 3 categories of currency pairs. First is major currency pairs. These pairs involve the world's most traded currencies and include Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, British pound US dollar Swiss franc, Australian dollar US dollar Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and US dollar. Next, we have minor currency pairs. These pairs don't include the US dollar, but involve other major currencies such as Euro or GBP JPY. Exotic currency pairs are last. Exotic pairs combine one major currency with the currency of an emerging or developing economy. For example, US dollar Turkish lira or Euro South African rand. These pairs typically have lower liquidity and can be more erratic. With fewer traders involved, the spreads tend to be wider and price movements more unpredictable. While these opportunities can be lucrative, they also come with higher risks. So careful analysis and robust risk management are essential. Now, let me share a bit about my personal journey. I started trading on a variety of currency pairs, and after analyzing my performance, I found that I performed best with Australian dollar US dollar. I liked it because it didn't move too fast and the price movements were smooth and gradual, ideal for building a solid strategy. However, more recently, I made a strategic shift to trading GBP JPY. I wanted to distance myself from the US dollar due to uncertainty around tariffs and new policies. Plus, GBP JPY offers large swings and more dynamic movements, which present both challenges and rewarding opportunities. Trading GBP JPY has allowed me to harness its volatility and make significant gains, and it's now my favorite pair. Now, picking what you will trade should be determined by what your goals are, your strategy, and your personality. Understanding these instruments is crucial because the value of a currency reflects the market's view of a country's economic health. Whether you're trading a major pair, a minor pair, or exploring exotic pairs, you're essentially placing a bet on the future performance of a nation's economy. As you progress through Elite Trader Academy, you'll gain even more insights into how to analyze and trade these instruments effectively. Now, let's move on to the next module where we'll dive into advanced strategies for trading currency pairs.